I'm in the Northwoods of Wisconsin on a river with Tanner, and we're going to be floating down it and camping tonight. We're here for two reasons. Number one, this river is supposed to be really good for smallmouth. The second reason is there is an island in the middle of this river, right in between a bunch of rapids. It looks like an insane campsite, so we're going to go check that out and camp there tonight. We'll be fishing, we'll be camping, we'll be cooking up good food and having a great time. So come along and join us. I'm going to be using this soft craw today. Usually works up here. Smallies love the crawdads, so should work. And then Tanner's actually going to be fly fishing. He builds his own fly rods and loves to fly fish, so he's going to be fly fishing out of the canoe. It's going to be interesting to try to figure out where the fish are today because it is mid-October, but it's been really warm. So normally, I think, they'd be trying to find deeper pools where they can winter and hopefully feeding up for the winter. But it's been so warm lately, so unseasonably warm, I don't know if they're going to be in that stage yet. We haven't had any action yet. We've mostly been fishing a couple of these rapids. We've got a few more rapids to go before we have the big one where we'll be camping. But hopefully we can get into some fish.
Oh, hey.
Didn't see you there. Why is it working so well?
Maneuverability.
Ah!
I see an opportunity to be funny or obnoxious, and my body just goes, you know what, we're doing that every time.
We got a rapid coming up here that we're going to stop and check out, see if we can find some fish there. There's a little pool below, or hopefully we'll find some stuff sitting and waiting for an easy meal. There we go. Heck yeah. Hey. We're not skunked. We got a fish in the boat. In the boat, on shore, whatever. We got a fish, at least. I think we're just gonna head on down to the island now. It's not too far. And we just have one portage in the way. The rapids to get to the island are pretty gnarly. I think they're probably a class 3 or something like that. I'm not sure. So yeah, we're just gonna take the portage and then we'll be there. Yep. This portage definitely has some length to it, but I think the only challenges are really the beginning. That slope was really steep. It's crazy. But now we're just on a nice little road that should take us to the bottom of these class 3 rapids and to our island. Can I try it?
Dude, yeah.
How do I do it?
Well, just like that. Other side too.
Oh.
And then you kind of scoop yourself up. Yeah. Well, you gotta try to stay in there.
I'm holding on for dear life.
And then keep getting up. Can I show you my favorite part about it?
Yeah.
That. You get up in the morning.
This campsite is awesome. It has exceeded my expectations. I thought it was going to be awesome, and it's even more awesome than I thought. But it's about dinner time, so we got a couple of steaks to cook up. Steaks and taters. How is it?
Steak is great. Potatoes, also great. Moisture content on the potatoes. I think we hit it on the mark. Honestly, I definitely overcooked the steak to my liking. But it's steak and we're camping. You can't really complain. And I'm gonna make some bread. I mind if you don't. Just a steak. Maybe not. Maybe it'll just. Here's honey buns.
That's so good, though.
All right. Okay, so we start with 6 cards. Who's first you deal, so whoever's dealer will get what's called the trip. So you play the game with a 4-card hand. Well, usage looks like we got a 15-2, 15-3, 15-4. Well, shoot darn. Looks like that's a 15-12, 15-14, 3 of a kind for them. That's 29. I done reckon.
Well, Bill, I don't know if you're being right honest with me. I ain't a mathematician, but I don't think those cards add up to 29.
Well, if I recall to the aforementioned hands earlier, your 5 of kind doesn't math to me.
Bill, I think you're cheating me.
Well, I think you're cheating me.
Pretty comfortable night last night. We got a little bit of rain. Would you just pipe down? Ah! Pretty comfortable night last night. We got a little bit of rain. Actually, a decent amount of rain, but let off in the morning. I was really cozy. I didn't really want to get up. Get some breakfast cooked up here. A little pancake and bacon. Okay, too far. I went too far, Tanner. These look disgusting. Pancakes were salvageable to some degree. Just eat the insides of them. So good. Well, it's time for us to get packed up and back on the water. We got some more opportunities for some good fishing spots, so we're gonna hit those for sure. See if we can find something out here. It's been tough. It'll probably still be tough today, but we'll see what we can do. You gotta do that.
Start playing bow, 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 now, now. Let's go, girls.
Just. Come on, Tars! 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 It's not possible. No, it's necessary. How am I supposed to fit this around my head? You're not. Well, we're coming up on the takeout, which means this one's coming to a close. Despite the fishing being kind of crappy, this one was it's a lot of fun. I really enjoy getting out camping in the fall, especially with the colors, and then at a site like that. Yeah, it was amazing. So I know I enjoyed this one a ton. I hope you did too. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.